Hello everybody, so I'm really excited because 3 days to the end of the challenge, the 365 challenge that I put up to myself almost a year ago to do every day a video. And the big announcement will come in 3 days and what is up next. So right now let's focus, how can we get productive and stay calm? So yesterday I talked about how to actually have your day out and plan your day and plan your week and plan to success. But today I want to get it even more focused, because sometimes when we want to play ahead a week, I know when I start to plan a week ahead, I got so overwhelmed. I sat there for around an hour or two to plan my week ahead, and I got so stressed out because I didn't had all the things to what to put, what to do, and it got very overwhelming. And not just overwhelming, but I got also kind of depressed, and it became frustrated just to actually plan, and it was like too much, and therefore it became painful to even sit and do that planning, and I quit about it. And that was, I'm talking about more than a year. But let's start small, because that's what helped me to get that week planning ahead, and not just planning the week ahead, planning the month ahead, but let's start small. Let's start small, because changes start with small things. We can't jump to the highest mountain with one jump, right? We need to climb it rock after rock. If we want to get to the 100th floor, we need to start the first step. So let's start with the first step, and that is plan your day ahead, not all the week. Why planning your day ahead? Because when we plan our day ahead, especially before we go to sleep, then all the things that we need to do usually are in our head, and we get so stressed about what we need to do, how we're going to do it, how we're going to accomplish, and so much things are in our head. So to get it more focused, to get it more clear, let's do it the night before you go to sleep. Write down no more than 5 things you need to accomplish, because if you put more than 5, you get overwhelmed, because our mind can't actually remember more than 5. And actually, if you put it down to 3, it gets more focused, more clear. So don't pass the 5, because then you will get all over your place. You will get all over the map, and you won't know what to do, how to do it, and how can you accomplish it. So focus on the 5 things and write it before you go to sleep. It can be on your phone, on Evernote, and it could be on a piece of paper. It doesn't matter, but write it down, because when you write it down, you know exactly what you're going to do, and that's how you stay calm, because then the mind don't think about what you need to do. It knows what you need to do, and then also the night and sleep goes much more relaxed. Does that make any sense? If it does, just comment below, make sense, or hashtag replay, then I know that it makes sense to you. And just plan your day ahead. Simple as that. The night before you go to sleep. I repeated that because it's very important that you do it before the sleep. Then the mind stay relaxed, and when you wake up, you know, bam, exactly what you need to do. Because if you plan in the morning, you're doing all the things during the day, and then you forget all about it. And then the mind again is not relaxed, and it's so stressful. So let's get it focused. Let's get it clear. Small steps will bring you amazing actions and massive progress. So focus on the small step. What is those? Let's focus on 3 things. What is the 3 things that you're going to accomplish tomorrow? Just focus on those 3. Just comment below that you will have that awareness, that you know what you're going to do and how you're going to nail it. So comment below, what are those 3 things that you're going to accomplish for tomorrow, not for next week, for tomorrow. And let's get it done. Let's achieve it. Remember, small steps, massive progress. So let's get it done. What is those 3 things? And if you like this content, just give me a thumbs up that I know that you want more of it. And if you're watching on YouTube, just hit the subscribe button to never miss out an episode. And have an amazing and productive day. And I really, really appreciate you for being here and invest your time with me today. I really appreciate that. And don't waste that time. Do that action. Don't waste up. You listened until now. You did it. Now go to the next level. Write it down. Get it done. And again, have an amazing and productive day. I will see you tomorrow. That was live on my group. Have a great one.